Hi, welcome back to class. In our previous lessons, we have seen how to use different power sources, voltage sources, and current sources in DC circuit. In the next series of lessons, we'll be seeing how to convert from one power source to another. That is, how to convert from my voltage source to current sources, and also how to convert from current sources back to voltage sources. Now, this is a typical skeletal diagram of a voltage source. Here I have the source and I have its resistance. Now, to convert to my current source, the first thing I want you to observe are the potentials of the voltage source. That is, the positive side and the negative side. Now, first and foremost, I want to draw the current source this way. Then I'll have its arrow pointing upwards. That is, pointing from the negative to the positive. Now, in voltage sources, you observe that in voltage sources, their resistances are connected in series. But in current sources, their resistances are connected in parallel. So I'll place a parallel resistance to the current source. So here is my current source. I'll name this my I and I'll name this my R. Next thing is to calculate the values for the R and the I. Remember that this is my resistance here. The resistance Rs here still remains my resistance Rs for the current source. Then the current emanating will come from Ohm's law. Now look at it this way. The voltage across this terminal is the same voltage as my V when it is opened. So that my V now, I know, is equals to IR. So that my I will be the same thing as V over R. So that with this, I can conveniently replace I with V over R. In our next lesson, we'll see worked examples on how to convert from voltage sources to current source. Thank you and see you in our next class.